step into the Jeep 2006 Wrangler X. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, paired with a sporty manual transmission. This vehicle's top features include 4-wheel drive, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain, conventional spare tire, steel wheels, power steering, front disc rear drum brakes, convertible soft top and intermittent wipers. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.